Sharing land across the continent, local communities, wildlife over the years, living alongside humans, have continued to struggle for space and water, a struggle that has placed wildlife at the edge of extinction. Hence, the World Wildlife Day, a day set aside to create awareness on the need for people and wildlife to learn to live together inside and outside protected areas so the planet's ecosystem can strive. News Central's Niyi Omoniyi has the details.
This right here is an African civet, a beautiful cat, threatened by habitat loss and deforestation. People hunt the African civet because of its musk, which has been a major ingredient for perfumes. This species are getting endangered. There's a gradual extinction of these species due to human activities, and it's growing fast.
Africa is home to some of the world's most endangered species. To protect populations from further decline, Chinedu Mogbo, a renowned environmentalist and founder, Green Fingers Conservation Initiative, speaks on the importance of wildlife and wildlife conservation.
Every animal has its own purpose. Every animal was created to fulfill something. There's no animal within the populace that doesn't have its own responsibility. We cannot just be a human-infested world where it's just humans. It was never created, it was never supposed to be that way. We cannot decompose our own food by ourselves. And we definitely cannot also produce our own food by ourselves. So we need that whole circle of food chain or food web.
He says wildlife trafficking is still a major contributor to wildlife extinction.
So these animals come in dead, shot some of the time, caught in traps, and as a result of the traps they've been killed. So that is what the wet market, and the only reason the wet market exists is to cater for the appetite of food, basically appetite for sometimes traditional purposes also.
Most of these animals are endangered, which poses the question, what can be done?
Now, animals also come into people's homes. People get to see animals. The first thing shouldn't be kill, right? We need to find what else can be done. Can this animal be relocated to a different place? Can this animal be taken to a different location? And yes, there are places like that.
Wildlife must survive in their natural habitats. Thus, the need for a conservation-friendly development to protect Africa's natural resources.
I think it's best we need to preserve as much as we can preserve, because like I said earlier, these animals play key roles in the ecosystem, and we need them for our own survival.
The earth is our shared home. We all live and benefit from it. Together, we form a part of a web of life that ensures the planet's ecosystem can strive. Humans and animals need to learn how to coexist. Niyi Omoniyi, reporting for News Central.